Hi, Mark Andrews aboard the Sailfish 245 DC. It's a dual console boat set up for water sports, family entertaining, and fishing. She's got the Yamaha 250 on the stern. For the water sports, there's a hideaway tow bar. This aft seat folds up for fishing or drops down. Fold away seat here. As we move forward, you've got storage for long boards or rods, all lockable. Comes equipped with the Garmin GPS, Fusion stereo system, rocker switches throughout, and the Yamaha readout for the engine. It's a large head on the boat. She's got 12-gallon freshwater capacity. That's a pump-out porta potty. You've got two large insulated fish boxes on air assist struts. One other thing I'd like to point out, you've got a 4-position seat here, so it really becomes, it can sit here, here, or become a full bench. Underneath, you've got an insulated ice box. Again, I'm Mark Andrews, MarineMax Westbrook. You can reach us at 860-399-5581 if you'd like to take a look. Thank you.